So today I'm going to be making some smoothie. If you want to try it. So delicious, so delicious. You just need a few simple ingredients. All natural, all frozen as a good breakfast item, because that's what I'm going to be having it with. Or for. So let's get into the video. Welcome everyone once again. I hope everyone is having a good day. Today we have a quick berry smoothie to make. I'm going to be using some fresh coconut milk that I have cut the coconut, blended it and strained it and make the juice from it. We have some frozen banana, we have some frozen strawberry, blueberry, blackberry, and some grapes, and then we're just going to add some vanilla and cinnamon to taste. You can add honey if you would like, but I am trying to stay away from the sweetness, so I'm just using the natural sweet from our bananas and our strawberries. So let's get into the video. So you see, I'm gonna put my banana in first, and then I'm going to attempt to put all of this in here. Since I'm making a small batch, I'm just using a little bit of everything here just to get it going. And then I'm going to be adding my coconut milk, and then we'll just keep blending. So we'll be right back. So now we're gonna try to add this coconut milk without making a mess. And you see these things on top. This is just the fat from the freshly blended coconut. And so we're gonna be using 3/4 cups here, at least for this recipe. And then we're going to be adding tubs of vanilla, and then just sprinkle some cinnamon powder for the benefits that it gives and the flavor as well. And then we're going to get blending. It was a little too thick, so I added some more milk, and so then we just so now that it's done, let's open it. And there you see, it's all blended and thick. And then we're gonna serve it up into this nice pitcher here, so you can see the consistency. And this is our berry smoothie. We thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you on our next video. Remember to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification so you do not miss any of our video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.